special occasion. One night only, limited engagement. So stomp your feet and clap your hands for Skeleton Sam and his graveyard band.
I was just a little ghoul when I heard his name. He's the graveyard legend.